Apple juice begins its journey here, in carefully managed orchards, where apples grow over months of controlled orchards.
These orchards are designed to maximize fruit quality and yield. Tree spacing and sunlight exposure help apples develop natural.
Ripeness determines sugar content and acidity.
Before harvesting begins, apples are visually inspected for size and condition. Only sound fruit enters juice production.
Apples are hand harvested or mechanically assisted to minimize bruising. Gentle handling protects juice clarity and
bins are transported immediately from the field to collection points. Minimizing time between harvest and processing preserves flavor integrity.
Freshly picked apples move quickly into collection bins. Rapid handling preserves freshness. Delays can trigger early fermentation. Before transport, apples undergo basic field sorting. Severely damaged or diseased fruit is removed early. From the orchard, apples begin their journey to the juice factory. Transport routes are optimized to reduce.
Modern juice factories are often located near growing regions. Short distances reduce spoilage and energy costs. Proximity improves sustainability.
During transport, apples are stabilized to prevent excessive movement. Minimizing impact helps maintain cellular structure.
Upon arrival, apples enter a controlled industrial environment. The factory is designed to process thousands. Before unloading, batches are logged and traced to their orchard source. Traceability ensures food safety.
targeted spray nozzles dislodge stubborn debris without damaging the fruit. This step reduces microbial load significantly.
Wash water passes through multi-stage filters that capture soil and organic matter. The water is continuously recycled and purified.
Hydraulic dumpers gently release apples into receiving hoppers. Water-assisted unloading reduces impact damage. Careful handling preserves. Sanitized apples emerge visibly clean and glossy. Excess solution drains away immediately. Only trace-safe levels remain.
Water flumes transport apples while cushioning them from impact. These channels also begin the cleaning process. Efficient flow maintains processing speed.
The journey inside the factory begins with controlled movement toward washing and sorting. Stainless steel construction
Automated and manual inspections assess apple size, color, and visible defects.
Annual inspection remains important even in automated systems. Human judgment catches defects machines may miss. Clean inputs simplify later filtration. Optical scanners detect rot, mold, or foreign material instantly. Early rejection protects downstream equipment. Technology ensures consistency.
Buffer storage balances supply and processing speed. Apples rest briefly before washing and crushing. This stage prevents bottlenecks.
Continuous circulation prevents bruising and settling. Gentle motion preserves fruit structure. Controlled buffering improves throughput. With intake complete, apples move toward intensive washing and preparation. From this point forward, industrial drum washers remove stains.
A second wash uses controlled sanitizing agents to reduce remaining microorganisms. Concentrations are careful.
After washing, apples under detailed sorting, size, color, and surface condition are evaluated at high speed. Uniform input improves pressing efficiency.
Multi-angled cameras detect bruises, rot, and foreign objects. Artificial intelligence classifies each.
Rejected apples are diverted without interrupting the main flow. Early removal protects juice flavor and clarity. Waste handling is fully integrated.
Clean apples move into crushers that break the fruit onto coarse mash. This increases surface area for juice extraction.
The fruit transforms into a moist pulp containing juice, skin, and fiber. Texture at this stage influences.
Screw conveyors transport the pulp smoothly to the next stage. Enclosed systems prevent oxidation. Protecting color and aroma is critical. Natural enzymes are added to break down pectin and cell walls. This process releases trapped juice and improves clarity. Dosage accuracy is essential.
The enzymes disperse evenly through the mash, initiating biochemical reactions. These reactions
The treated pulp rests briefly to allow enzymes to work. Temperature and time are carefully controlled. This stage maximizes juice extraction. Sensors monitor temperature to keep enzymes within their optimal range. Even small deviations affect efficiency. Precision ensures consistent results. Slow agitation prevents settling and ensures uniform treatment. Oxygen exposure is minimized. The pulp is now ready for pressing. Once conditioned, the pulp flows directly to juice presses. Sealed transfer lines prevent contamination and oxidation. Clean transfer preserves freshness.
The mash feeds evenly into the pressing mechanism. Consistent flow prevents pressure fluctuations. Stable feeding improves juice recovery.
Industrial presses prepare to extract juice from the pulp. These machines apply gradual pressure to separate liquid from solids. Gentle pressing protects flavor.
Perforated belts allow juice to pass while retaining solids. Roller spacing controls pressure. This design balances yield and quality.
The pulp spreads into a uniform layer across the press. Even distribution is essential for consistency. The first juice begins to flow, still cloudy with natural solids. This raw juice contains the apple's full chills. The remaining solids, known as pomas, separate cleanly from the juice. This byproduct is reused.
With pressing complete, raw apple juice begins its journey toward clarification. Freshly pressed apple juice enters clarification tanks, where remaining solids begin to separate. This stage,
tiny pulp particles remain suspended at this point, giving the juice a cloudy appearance. Time allows gravity to assist separation.
To accelerate clarification, the juice passes through centrifuges spinning at thousands of revolutions per minute.
fountain. After centrifugation, the juice appears noticeably clearer. Most suspended solids are now removed.
In some processes, finishing enzymes further break down microscopic haze-forming compounds.
These enzymes work silently, improving stability without altering taste. Their action prevents cloud reformation during storage.
The juice now enters multi-stage filtration systems that remove remaining fine particles. Each filter stage increases.
Filters are changed regularly to maintain performance and hygiene. Automated systems minimize downtime.
The contrast reveals the impact of clarification. What began as opaque liquid now appears crystal clear. Before stabilization, dissolved oxygen is removed through deaeration. Oxygen accelerates browning and flavor loss. Removing it preserves freshness.
Clear juice is stored temporarily in blending tanks. Here, batches from different presses can be combined. Blending ensures consistent taste. Slow agitation prevents stratification without introducing air. Uniform composition is maintained. Stability is the priority.
Samples are taken to verify clarity, color, and turbidity. Optical tests confirm that haze levels meet specifications.
Quality checks never stop.
Light transmission measurements quantify clarity precisely. High transparency indicates successful processing. Data confirms visual quality. With clarification complete, the juice moves towards stabilization. Heat treatment will ensure microbial safety. Control remains critical. Temperature begins to rise gradually. Gentle heating protects flavor while preparing for pasteurization. Precision matters.
At this stage, the juice has achieved visual perfection. What remains is to secure safety and shelf life. Technology now takes over.
Flow control ensures even treatment during stabilization. Sensors guide every adjustment. Automation protects consistency.
With clarity achieved, the juice is ready for pasteurization. Safety, flavor, and longevity now converge.
The clarified juice now moves into pasteurization, where controlled heat eliminates harmful microorganisms.
Sensors monitor every degree of heat exposure to ensure regulatory compliance. Precise control prevents overcooking the juice.
After pasteurization, the juice is cooled quickly to lock in freshness. Rapid cooling prevents quality loss. The stabilized juice rests in aseptic tanks, isolated from air and contaminants. Sterile environments maintain purity.
Sterile valves regulate flow into packaging without introducing microbes. Clean transfer is essential. Every connection is monitored. Packaging enters its own cleaning and sterilization stage. Bottles or cartons are rinsed and sanitized. Clean containers protect the finished juice.
After sterilization, containers are inspected for cleanliness and integrity. Only flawless packaging proceeds. Hygiene standards remain uncompromising.
Automated filtering deflects deliver precise volumes of juice into each container.
Low turbulence filling prevents oxygen pickup and foaming. This preserves clarity and aroma. Gentle handling remains essential.
Sealing follows filling instantly to prevent contamination. Tight closures protect freshness and shelf life. This moment locks in quality.
Labels are applied with precise alignment, communicating brand and nutritional information. Clean application enhances shelf appeal. Date coding ensures traceability and regulatory compliance. Clear printing supports inventory rotation. Every unit is uniquely identified.
Individual units are grouped for efficient handling and retail display. Secondary packaging protects products during transport. Organization improves logistics.
Heat causes the film to contract tightly around the pack. This creates a secure, tamper-evident bundle. Protection continues beyond the factory.
Robotic palletizers arrange cartons in interlocking layers to maximize stability. Proper stacking prevents damage. Precision supports global distribution.
Stretch film secures the load against vibration and moisture. Wrapped pallets are ready for transport. Stability is essential for long journeys.
Finished products rest in climate-controlled warehouses. Temperature management preserves clarity and flavor. Organized storage enables rapid order fulfillment.
From the factory, apple juice travels to retailers across regions. Logistics connect orchards to consumers.
At retail, the juice reaches its final display. Clear packaging showcases visual purity. Shelf presentation influences choice.
In the home, the juice is finally enjoyed. Its clarity reflects careful processing at every stage. Transparency reveals the success of clarification and filtration. The juice's clean appearance mirrors its clean.
From orchard apples to crystal clear juice, this is the full journey of apple juice production.